Hey guys, this video is a little bit cringe, but I don't give a fuck because I am hanging out at my client's house. We're doing some work here for him, and I'm in the shower. Well, I've never met the clients. They're out of town, but we're in here working for them. I assume it's a husband and wife. It's a nice family home. But check this out, dude. Look at this. We gotta be barefoot because I don't want us to get our shoes or socks on the floor. And I gotta be quiet because look at this shit. Let me show you. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. This shit meant the rich people put their feet. Ah, it's so nice. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Ain't that nice? Look at this. Look at this. Everything is like, touch me, feel me. So nice. It's all fur, wood, leather, saltillo. It's all the best. Look at this. Look at this. I find these all over the ground for free. Look at that. There's 3 of them. There's 2 big ones. 1, 2. And then look. This 3rd one. And then look. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, let's keep going. Come on. Check this out. Check this out. This is the fucking goddamn kids' room. Look at this fucking kids' room. Son of a bitch, right? Son of a bitch. Dude. This floor came from an old cheese factory in Minnesota or some shit. Yeah, they tore apart some old factory and used the floors over here. Look at that. Look at this shit, dude. Look at this shit. Look how these fuckers. Look at it. Look, I think that's a toilet for fat people. I don't know how these rich people do it. But, is this fucking sick, dude? Is this fucking sick? Is this sicker than fuck? Dude? You know what I mean? That's me. What's up? Hey, check this out, dude. Let me show you something. Let me show you a thing. Look at all these one kids' bedrooms, light bulbs. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If there's not enough chairs for your friends to sit, you can fucking sit on my saddles. You know? Super special saddle here. Look at this shit, dude. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is what I do. This is my life. Every day a different mansion. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look. Serve me my wine, please. My wine, sir. And a cigar. Look at it, look at it, look at it. They had to kill a whole family of cows for all this carpet. Look at this shit. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look. We take round wood, we make it square. And then the rich people say, make my square wood round again. And we tell them, okay. Alright. Thanks for welcoming to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is where my kids sleep. Them and their homies sleep here. I'm gonna put a PlayStation 2 right there. Or 6, PlayStation 6. Or whatever the new one is. Alright, talk to you later.